Everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can delete all messages from Messenger. So to do that, go ahead and open up your Messenger application. So what you have to do is once you have opened your Messenger, go ahead and select any one particular message that you want to delete. Long press on it. Now here you see the delete option. Click on delete. Now here you get the option to delete this entire conversation. So what you have to do is simply tap on delete and confirm it. Once you do that, your message from your messenger will be deleted. And this is how you delete all messages from Messenger. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.